Today, we're cracking open David Fincher's playbook using Adam Nayman's awesome book, Mind Games.
To really get Fincher, you got to start with this theory from director Bong Joon-ho. It's about two filmmaking styles.
And Fincher, he takes linear to a whole new level. His precision is so sharp it practically cuts you.
So where does that precision come from? Well, it all starts with one core belief.
You heard him. 2 ways to shoot a scene, and one of them is just plain wrong.
So, lesson 1 for you filmmakers, you have to master the language. Film has its own grammar.
His editor puts it perfectly. You've got your materials, your blueprint, and then the final build. This is film syntax. It's about making thousands of tiny decisions that you, the viewer, never even notice.
And that brings us to lesson 2, the power of repetition. And yes, those legendary multiple takes.
But why? Why the heck so many takes? It's not just about being a perfectionist.
It's about getting actors to stop thinking so much, to find a performance that's real, from the gut.
And the math here is pretty brutal. 1 bad shot a day means 100 bad shots in the film.
Okay, lesson 3 is maybe the coolest of them all. It's about creating what's called the impossible eye.
Think of him like a hypnotist. He tells you exactly where to look, and you don't even know it's happening.
He uses all this subtle tech not to create fantasy, but to perfect reality, to get rid of distractions.
So after all this intense, grueling process, what's the point? What's the end game?
It's all about delivering a cut so precise, so perfect, that it leaves a beautiful scar on you.
So here's the question. Is this obsessive path the secret to genius, or is it a trap for the artist?